Hey guys, Crispy Vids back with another unboxing. So today here we've got the new AirPods Pro 2nd generation. They just dropped today, 23rd of the 9th, 22. And they are the second ones that are out, hence being 2nd generation. The first ones came out in 2019, so these have been long awaited revamp of the already very good AirPod Pros. So just go through a couple of changes that's happened with these. It was on the keynote with the new iPhone and Apple Watch and everything. So they've got a lot better noise cancellation. They've got adaptive transparency mode. So if you're walking down the street and someone uses a excavator or a jackhammer or something beside you, it'll try and reduce that noise down still while letting in a little bit of it. Obviously spatial audio like the first ones. The one major upgrade to these, and one of the reasons that I really wanted to get a pair, was they now have touch control that lets you adjust the volume up and down on the stem of the AirPod just by touching it and swiping up and down. So that's going to be pretty awesome. More battery life thanks to the upgraded H2 chip in this model, up from the H1. So you now get 6 hours of battery life from the AirPods, and I think it's something like 30 or something hours from the case. So just a little bit about, there's the H2 chip that we were talking about. Redesigned inward facing microphone. We've got a custom built driver and amplifier to work with the H2 chip. Now I think that's the same as the AirPods 3, the normal AirPods. What else have we got? So there's the 2 times better noise cancellation we were talking about. So that's going to be great on flights, or if you just want to zone out and use your noise cancelling, if you need to focus on something. One thing they did do this year is they added a 4th silicon tip. So I'm pretty sure it used to just come with those 3, the small, medium and the large. But now it comes with the extra small. So if you've got really small ears and they didn't fit you properly the first generation ones back in 2019, you might be in luck with the new extra small silicon tip. And they just snap in and out of the headphone there. Adaptive transparency that we were talking about. And so there you go right there. So that's how you adjust the volume up and down. Using touch, so it's just resting the finger on there and sliding it up and down apparently. The sound apparently tunes to you, so personalized listening, and that's the adaptive EQ. Yeah, there we go there. So we've got the 6 hours of battery used just with the headsets and the 30 with the total listening time with noise cancellation enabled. So if you guys aren't using noise cancellation all the time, you're going to get a bit more than that. One other new thing they've added this year is you used to always be able to charge it on the Qi chargers or MagSafe charger or anything like that. But this year they've added that you can use your Apple Watch charger. So just using the normal Apple Watch charging puck there, you can sit your AirPods on top of that and it will charge. So that's a nice added feature if you've already got the Apple Watch and you're in the whole family with all the gadgets. What else have we got? So I'm pretty sure the case is exactly the same size. So if you guys can't find, you wear a case on the outside of it and you can't find one straight away, you might be able to use your existing case, whatever that may be, but you will lose the features with the new built-in speaker and the lanyard loop. So just have to wait till they bring out some AirPod Pro 2nd generation cases. We've got the IPX4 sweat and water resistance, and just the normal, easy, excellent, magical setup that Apple always has on all their AirPods. Audio sharing and everything else that's great about AirPods is in the new AirPods as well. So let's get these things out of the box and have a bit of a look at them. So we've got AirPods 2nd generation there. We'll crack these out. Now these are $3.99 in Australia, so they're quite up there for headphones, but you do get a lot for your money. So let's have a look what we got here. Just the normal paperwork. So just a quick rundown showing you how to open the lid and how far to have it from your phone, where the button is on the back if you have to use that to connect to other devices, how to change your ear tips, showing the Apple Watch charger there, the MagSafe charger there, or just the normal Lightning. Super disappointed they didn't bring USB-C to these guys, because I'm hoping that everything's going to become USB-C by next year, but that's on the wish list. So showing your touch controls, audio controls and control center. It shows you little AirPods up there on the phone, and they've actually still got the old iPhone notch up the top there, so I'm surprised they didn't put the iPhone 14 Pro pictures up on that, but they'll probably update that soon. So these also come with a day one out of the box update apparently. Once again, we can't see what the update is or what it adjusts. So at the moment, we just have to trust Apple that it's working. In the future, I'm pretty sure they're going to be bringing, like the iPhones and watches and Mac OS and everything, how you actually get to know what the update is fixing. So we'll get these out. We'll just put them to the side for 1 sec and have a look under here. So this is our 4 little tips. Well, there's one on there, so this is the 3. You've got extra small, small and large. Medium always come on the AirPod Pro in the case, because that's the most generic size that seems to fit most people. Fits most, that's why they give you these. So that's really good. And you can buy these as extras as well if you need any more, if you lose some or something. The USB-C to Lightning, once again, should be USB-C to USB-C, but that's a topic for another day. So that's all you get in the box. We'll get rid of that, and we'll get these AirPod Pro 2nd generations out of the case, hey? So as you can see there, very, very similar to the 1st generation. The hinge is the same. Physical dimensions are exactly the same, but you've got a little lanyard loop there. You've got the new speaker down here, lightning port, and there we have them. So just looking at them, they look identical to the, just so you guys can see, I just opened those AirPods and this has come up on my device. So it's showing me right there that a software update for some AirPod Pro features require a newer version of iPad OS that will be available soon. So you need to set it up with limited functionality for the iPad, because we haven't got iPad OS 16 yet. Back to these, so we've got exactly the same as the old AirPods, I'm pretty sure. They may have adjusted these a little bit, and I think it's got the better sensor now for detecting if it's in your ear or not. So just as a comparison, I've also got my AirPods 2nd generations here. So this has the native union leather case, which I've done a review on my channel. Jump on there to check that out if you like it. I'll link it in the description. But yeah, you can see there that exactly the same as the old size Pro case. So pretty much the same as the 2nd generation case, just tilted on its side. So once you get a case on that, it's going to be a little bit bigger, but not by too much. So yeah, there you have it, guys. These are the new AirPod Pro 2nd generation. I'm going to test these out, see how they go. Hopefully they're awesome, like all the YouTube reviews that have got them early have said they are. Yeah, so hope this has helped anyone out that just wanted to know a few more features about them and what they look like out of the box next to the AirPod 2, knowing that they can now click onto the Apple Watch magnetic charger. It's all helpful information, so hope that it helped you guys out. Cheers. Thanks for watching, guys.